Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to easily install a keyless entry system in your car. All you have to do is connect this module and install an actuator in the passenger door. In my situation, the car already has central locking that must be operated with a key. So I connect the module according to wiring diagram D. Connect the yellow and the yellow-black wire to the red positive wire and connect the orange and the orange-black wire to the black negative wire. The actuator goes in this spot so that I can later connect it to the back of the locking button with a thin steel rod. I already prepared the wiring of the module and connect it correctly. So now I connect the red cable to the continuous positive, the black one to the ground negative. These two white wires are connected to the actuator. And the two brown wires are connected to the turn signals. To get better access to the wiring, I first remove some floor panels and the lower panel of the steering column. Loosen these 3 screws to remove the lower panel from the steering column. I already connected the brown wiring for the turn signals during a previous job. In my case, you need to connect the brown wire to the white-red wire and connect the brown wire to the gray wire. Measure the voltage in your own car first, just to be sure. Then connect all the wiring. Red is connected to the positive voltage below with the brown wire. The black wire is connected to the ground with a nut on the chassis. Now I am going to put the wiring for the actuator through the door seal. This wiring is well wrapped with electrical tape and can be put back in place. I drilled 2 holes in the connectors behind the door seal for the 2 wires. Because the current wiring from the module is not long enough, I extended it with a new cable. Now I am going to mount the actuator in the correct position and connect it to this locking button with a rod. The actuator is in place and the wiring is connected. Time to test if it works. Alright, great. Now I am going to connect the steel rod to the locking button. I drilled a 1 mm hole to connect the rod. And 2 1 mm holes in the frame to guide the rod to the actuator. Now the system can be reassembled. That works nice and smooth. Mount everything back in place. I put an extra outer cable around the inner cable so it doesn't bend. I bought this thing to connect the cable to the actuator, with a steel rod going into the actuator's connection from the front and securing it with the bolt on the side. Perfect solution. Everything is connected and the final test can begin. This job is done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.